wanna drink like Beijing and dance like Trinity. Yeah, you wanna supermodel pose like my real friend Winnie.
Hey guys, so today I'm filming a nail supplies haul. So it was like 4 a.m. and I decided that I want to become a nail tech. Not like a real nail tech, but I want to start doing my own nails, or at least like try. So I went ahead and dropped a bag on Amazon. Actually, yeah, I bought this stuff Monday and it came today, which is Tuesday, so literally a day. Everything is in this huge box. I'm so excited. I did so much research to get like affordable items but still beginner friendly and like good quality. I watch so much videos. My favorite YouTuber right now is Natalie Carmona, I think is how you say her name. She's a nail tech and she literally does perfect nails. So I only bought stuff that was guaranteed like 2-day shipping because I was just very impatient. This stuff wasn't supposed to come till tomorrow on Wednesday, but we love Amazon. Honestly, I'm like, I don't even mind Jeff Bezos being a trillionaire because Amazon shipping is so quick. Like, okay, like here's my money, honestly, take it. I used to be like really into nails, so I feel like I should be able to figure it out. We finna get started. I'm so freaking excited. Yeah, so let's get started. I'm just gonna go in no particular order. So the first thing I got are these cuticle pushers. Okay, here's what they look like, you know, regular cuticle pushers. For some reason, I just have this thing where it's like, you know, like trypophobia, where people just like hate holes and like holes are just like nasty, whatever. I don't have that. I have like, I don't know what it's called. I don't know if there's a name for it, but like cuticle phobia. Like something about cuticles, not cuticles themselves, but something about like pushing back my cuticles. Even when I go to the nail salon, I have to like look away when they're doing my cuticles. It's not like it hurts or anything. I just hate the thought of it. Like, I'm like, oh my gosh, they're pushing back my cuticles. Like, it's just so disgusting to me. So I don't know how I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna try to get over that, but I don't know, just cuticles just disgust me. Anyway, this is by the brand hold on, I don't know, bro. They're just cuticle pushers. They were like $5, so I got these. Next thing I got is the Amiley. Y'all can't even see. This is just a nail primer, so this is really important to prime your nails so that the acrylic stays on them. Here's what the bottle looks like. It's mad small. Here, I'll show y'all. Against my hand. I have big hands, but still, this bottle's mad small. But yeah, I think this was like $10. I'm not gonna say all the prices unless I remember them, but I will link everything in the description. So if y'all want to purchase any of this, it's down there. So yeah, and then to go along with that, I would have gotten the same brand, but it wouldn't have come in time. So I got the Modelones dehydrator. So I'm pretty sure you need both. Everybody doesn't use both. Oh, here's what it looks like. It came in this box. Super pretty. Okay, so the next thing I got, I'm kind of confused about these. These are nail, they say nail files. I thought they were nail buffers, and like the description said they were buffers. Like, I don't know, they look like this. Here, let me take one out. Yeah, and people were saying they just like smooth out your nails and everything. So I'm just gonna try these because for some reason I could not find like any like highly reviewed buffers on Amazon, even ones that weren't coming in time. Like none of the buffers had good reviews. So I was like, I'm gonna just try these. The next thing I got is really exciting, but I'm also kind of scared because I did turn this on and I did like open this, but it was going real fast. So this is an e-file, or an electric nail drill. This I think was like 20 something dollars, maybe like 25. I got just this pink electric nail file or nail drill. I don't know why I keep saying that. It's a nail drill. It comes with all of these I don't know what these are called. I forget. Like the attachments, I literally forgot what they're called, but and they come with all these sanding bands. As you can see, I put one on already, and then it also comes with a bag of I think 100 or maybe 500. No, I don't think this is 500. I think 100 extra sanding bands, so that's cool. This thing goes so fast. I wish I had an outlet right now to show y'all just how fast it goes, but also comes with this wire, so you like plug it in the bottom, and then this is the control, so you can go as fast or as slow as you want, but it doesn't really get that slow. And then you can also turn it, you can have it rotate forwards or backwards depending on like what hand you're doing, so that's really helpful. So this I actually already had from, I did buy like fake nails before, but I didn't buy acrylic or anything, just like to do press on. So I already had like this nail cutter, but I did get this from Amazon, and if I can find it I will link it, or I will link a similar one. But it's just to like chop down the size of your nails. So speaking of nails, I got these acrylic nails, I'm definitely gonna buy clear ones when I get more experience. So my criteria, I guess, is I wanted them to be natural. I do want to buy clear nails, but I wanted natural first because I feel like they're better for color, which is mostly what I do. Like, I never do clear nails, but maybe I'll get into them, I don't know. It comes with 10 different sizes, 0 to 9. I wanted them to be some kind of shape, coffin preferably, but just not square. This wasn't a big deal because I could obviously just file them down. These are not coffin shaped, but I'm kind of happy I actually didn't get the coffin shaped because this will allow me to do like tapered square shape. And then I wanted them to be straight because I hate when nails are like curved out over your nail and like you can't even text or do anything because the nails are just so curved. So they definitely had to be straight nails, and these were perfect, and they came in the box and everything. I think these were like $15 to $17. I don't really remember. Also, I forgot to mention, I think the nail drill came with this brush, which is really nice because I didn't have to buy a separate one to, you know, just dust off your nails or whatever. My next thing, okay, so this is exciting. I got the Car Lash acrylic monomer. So this is literally like the only monomer I could find to come on Wednesday that didn't have horrible reviews. The only thing people said is that this smells really strong, which is literally as soon as I opened the box, I smelled it. I still haven't taken it out this bag and I smelled it. Yeah, this is the monomer I got. I hope that it works with the acrylic that I got, which is the Valley acrylic powder. So I got a set, and literally, I forget how much this was. I think this might have been like $20 or something crazy. And it comes with 4 colors and they had good reviews. I was like, bro, this is perfect. It might have been a little over 20, but that's still a really, really good deal. So it comes with pink acrylic, it comes with white, it comes with clear, and then it comes with gray, which I don't really see myself using the gray often, but maybe, I don't know. Next thing I got is this little set or 2-pack of dapping dishes. I thought it was only 1, but it came with 2, and I think this might have been like $6, so that's not bad. They're really small, but obviously I don't need them any bigger than this. They're so cute. Like, look at these. They're just like little cups. I just want to like take shots. Also, if y'all want a video on me trying to do my nails, let me know. Like, I can definitely try to do that. Then I just got this Kiss Maximum Speed glue. I was so torn on what glue to get because I really wanted like a brush on one, but I ended up just getting this one. I don't think the glue matters as much just because the acrylic is really what's, you know, holding the nail there. I've used this glue before. I think it's pretty strong. Then for my brush, I got the number 8 Kamisi brush. On Amazon it said it was a Kolinsky brush, I'm pretty sure, but here's what it looks like. I wanted to get 8 so it could be pretty small and easy to work with. Here's what it looks like. It's still pretty stiff because of all the resin or whatever in it. I'm gonna obviously soak it in my monomer once I open that, but I wanted to film this before I really like opened everything. And the last kind of like boring thing I got are my nail files. So I got this brand called E-Dealing, and they are 100/180 grit files, and it literally comes with like 12 of them, which I do not need this many, but I couldn't find like a smaller pack, and I'm pretty sure this was like, I don't know, maybe like $10 or something. So okay, so for the really fun stuff, I got this LKE, I think, UV light. This was like $30 or $35, and it has, look at all the UV lights in this. Like, I saw some with only 4 lights in it. This has a bunch. And yeah, so this is just to dry my gel polish. It's 48 watts, and it has 100 seconds or 99 seconds, 60 seconds, and 30 seconds. And it's also like automatic. If you put your hand under it, it'll start. So I thought this was super duper cool. I was gonna get a smaller one for like $20 or $15, but I decided to just spend the $30 because this is useful for whatever. Even if I decide I don't like acrylics, I could use this for pedicure, just to do my white nail polish or whatever. So yeah, I figured I may as well drop my little bag. You know, $30 is still not bad for a whole UV light like this, and it's like big. If you really wanted to, you could fit both hands in here, but I'll probably just do one at a time. And for the last and most exciting thing, y'all, look at this. I got the Joy T 20+3 UV LED soak off gel polish, period. How beautiful is this box? It's tropical. If y'all haven't noticed, if y'all ain't seen my new intro, by the way, do y'all like my new intro? Because I spent a minute making that and I'm obsessed with it. It's all tropical. If you don't know me, I'm obsessed with everything tropical, everything Caribbean, you know, you feel me. I'm gonna open this up. This is literally the most exciting thing. And then y'all, they gave me this little thing. I can either get a free 82 watt UV lamp, so another one, or I can get a 23-piece gel polish, which is probably what I'll get. And then if I don't want to do that, they can give me a $20 Amazon gift card. Like, I'm so excited. I love getting little free stuff like that. It just makes me want to come back and be a customer again. Anyway, look at all these nail polishes, y'all. They're all gel and they're all beautiful. I'm obsessed. This entire box, can y'all just guess? $30. $30. Are you kidding me? Like, even though they're so small, like, that's such a good deal for 20 freaking nail polishes. Gel polishes at that. And it comes with a regular, like, glossy top coat. I'm not gonna take them all out. It comes with a matte top coat and then 2 base coats. Like, period. I don't have to buy nothing else. The color that I think I'm gonna do the first time I do my nails is this one. Here, I'll open one so y'all can see. Like, look at this freaking color. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. That's everything that I got. I hope you guys enjoy. Let me know if you want some nail videos. Obviously, I've never done this before. I'm not an expert, so if it comes out horrible, then mission abort, canceled. We're just not gonna do this anymore, and I'm gonna go back to my nail salon. But I wanted to at least try, especially now that we're in quarantine. Actually, New York is in phase 1 of reopening, but nail salons and stuff are still not open, so I thought I may as well try and do my own nails. So if y'all see me in the next video with a whole full set, just know that I did it, period. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Check out my social media. It's in the description as always. My Twitter, my Instagram, my taiya shirelle, so feel free to follow me. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Bye, guys.
Rule number 1 to be a boss ass bitch. Never let a clown nigga try to play you. If he play you, then rule number 2, fuck his best friends, then make them yes men.